Hey guys, hi Posh Partners, Tanya here and welcome to Posh and Gifted. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a lime green Thinking of You gift basket. And the items I will be using today is this beautiful bamboo gift basket, which is accented with green, lime green. It's stuffed with tissue and I have a little bit of shred on top. I have this planner here, or this is just a notepad. Isn't that cute? Beautiful tropical vibes, and it has an ink pen on the side. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to use this eucalyptus potpourri. Isn't that cute? Smells wonderful. I'm going to be using that. Some wipes. This chamomile and jojoba oil wipes, and these stay moist a long time. I have this beautiful green candle, lime green candle. See, what is the scent? It's coconut lime. Yeah, that's on theme, the lime color. I have, what is this? This is a lip gloss. And we have from Bath and Body Works, this is a fine fragrance mist. It's white citrus. And the white citrus body cream. These are really nice. So that's my theme. My theme is lime. Oh, I forgot to add too. And then I know the recipient likes hard candy. So I got this lime green suckers here. Got some rock candy and some little dum-dums. I put them, I don't like to mix food with fragrances. So I just put it in a bag, one of these cello bags. And make sure I tie that up really well. And I'm using curling ribbon. Okay, so let's start designing. Let's see, which way do I want? We'll turn it this way. Okay, we're gonna start there. get some tape. Okay, so I got everything in the basket. So you see where it's sloping? So now I'm going to add more tissue in the back. Prop it up. This is a bag this is like for a demo. This is a bag, but in real life, once I send this out, you know, I'm gonna have it in one of these cello bags, these basket bags. bags you get from Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to show you guys how I want to style this. And because I like to do my videos, I like to do a trial run and then like kind of hash it out with you guys so you can see the process. And you see things are at different levels. We got stuff up top there. We have, you know, the Body Works items. And then put it in a gift bag. Beautiful. I love this color. You guys know I'm a color girl. I love my color. Tie it around. I'm going to turn this around towards me. Green bow with the white polka dots. It's so pretty. And you have wired ribbon. If you don't want to cut down the tails, just want to give them a nice little fold. That's cute. And me, I can fluff a bow all day long, so I just have to stop. So that and have a nice fan on your basket. And there is our lime green Thinking of You gift basket. Okay guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you, Posh Partners. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, got any inspiration from it. I'm in my kitchen because we just changed the lights out in here. We have better lighting. And I just made lunch, and so I still have my lunch on the stove there. But I wanted to bring you guys this video, okay, to give you some inspiration. So hit that like button, that thumbs up if you like it, and hit the subscribe. And you can even share this video and hit that bell notification. Like if you subscribe and you see that bell, hit all. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload new content, okay? A new video. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Okay, guys, here's me vacuum sealing or heat sealing my gift basket. Start at the bottom. Keep it moving. I start all the way at the bottom here. Start there, make sure that's sealed. I like this heat gun, but it's just the cord's too short. Okay, she's all done. You know I like to have streamers. Where's my other streamer? Okay. I don't mind that much of a fan up top. Fluff your bow. Fluff the bow. I think I'm gonna cut these white ones off. But just wanted to let you guys see that. I kept looking at the bag. I'm like, it looks too wrinkly. So, and I wasn't sure if this was a shrink wrap bag or a basket bag. I kind of worked between the both of them. So once I saw I didn't like the look, I said, let me try to shrink wrap this. All right. That's our shrink wrapped gift basket.